the legroom is great.
So, just got off the train, and there it is right behind me. Getting our vehicles. I think the bikes are already ready, but off to the side, so I'm gonna go find them. Train was good. I always liked the Amtrak Auto. Well, I did it once before, and I remember I liked it, and I did. So, it's kind of an overcast day, but it is really nice out here. High of 77 today, so it's only 165 miles till the trails, well, till I'm gonna get onto the trail. It's not really the start, but it's the closest point for me to get to. So that's where I'm going, and go over and find the bike now. So I met my first friend here, starting out in the Tat, Ruben. Nice to meet him.
Nice to meet you, my friend. Good luck, okay? Enjoy the Tat.
A good train ride with you, and yeah, starting out. He's over here on the GS 800, and we're getting everything put together here. Alright, the rain has finally stopped. My gloves are quite soaked. The jacket seemed to do pretty well. I'll take it off and see where I know I got a little wet down the back, but that's about it, I think. Phone's not charging for some reason. I think it's because it got wet and might need to dry out before it starts charging. And the speedometer is not working on the bike. I believe it has something to do with the magnet down there, well, the magnet reader getting unplugged or something. I gotta investigate that a little bit. See where we go. I didn't get any footage of the rain because it was raining. But it was bad for hours, so whatever. Interesting start to the trip. Looking forward to getting onto the trail. Alright, pulled off the side of the road. I'm at some little campsite, I think. I just stopped here because of the sun. Finally, some sunlight. I haven't seen the sun for a while. And drying some of the things off over here. Drying my phone off to try to get it to charge because it's at like 2 or 3% now. I figured while I'm just sitting around here waiting everything to dry, I'll fly the drone around a little bit, see if there's anything cool. So I don't know if you're noticing this or not, but it's getting kind of dark. It is about 6:10. I don't know when the sun sets at this latitude. So I'm guessing it's fairly soon. But it looks like there's a number of places now. The road just kind of went to much less traveled rather than like lightly traveled, such as like an area over here. I could probably jump in over there and camp if I needed to. Just filled up with gas. Speedometer's still not working. Phone is charging, but only from the battery. Yeah, other than that, it's going pretty well. Stupid signs. It's a nice area.
you know of any nearby campsites along the way?
Over in the gorge. Go back down here.
Yeah.
So it's getting a bit drizzly and dark. So it says no camping up there, but there's some pretty nice spots, some area down there. I will probably camp over there. This thing looks pretty cool. The cell phone service went out quicker than I expected, so I didn't have planned where I was going to camp for the night. So that was my mistake. I should have looked in the beginning of the trail to figure out where there is to camp. I need to figure out how many miles I can do kind of thing down. But yeah, drawbridge. So, I'm literally out on a bridge over the river right now. It's pretty cool. Alright, I got my camp set up. That was first time setting it up and not at home, so it went pretty well. I had the rain fly on the wrong way. I didn't realize I could put it on the wrong way, but yeah, there's a certain way it has to go. So got everything else. I'm cooking right now, and we'll boil in some water to put it into a mountain house meal. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put stuff for bears. There's definitely bears in this area. Saw some, well, little cub. So I'll figure that out, and in the time being, gonna start loading stuff into my tent for the night, and finish boiling my water. Got my mountain house meal all cooked up, and gonna set up, probably edit a little bit, probably edit this video right here, and yeah, should be a night. Waking up in the morning to that. Hello there. Alright, only took me about an hour and a half to get everything picked up, packed away, brushed my teeth, walk around a little bit, so that's pretty good. About right on par with the last trip, really, with Matt and I. I didn't eat breakfast yet, but I'll probably just have a Cliff Bar. That'll be good enough in an hour or so. Give me an excuse to take another break. And yeah, here we go. Start the next day. So just stopped to air down the tires a little bit, because it's going to be mostly this kind of road, it looks like, for quite a while, a good part of today. And the tires were still at like 30-35 psi, so put them down to about 25, and should be good enough for off-road.
Well, looks like more rain for now. I'll put on my already soaked waterproof gloves. It didn't quite work how I want them to, but whatever. Trails are looking beautiful, as you can see. It's nice out here. So, get in some more miles. believe, 3 months on the road.
You're filming now?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm 3 months on the road. Belgium, Europe, East Europe, Russia, Mongolia, Russia, South Korea, Vancouver, British Columbia, Oregon coast, and then the Trans-American Trail to this.
Wow.
Yeah, you have to do it too.
So I just pulled into this little area. It's obviously somebody's property, but there are no posted no trespassing or posted private property. So, and it looks like a really nice area, like nice flat ground right there and a lovely bench. Yeah, I think I'm staying here. There's also well, I think the house is down that way, but they got a nice little bridge and everything over there. It's pretty cool. All right, all packed up, ready to go. It's a pretty cold night last night, actually. Yeah, had some peanut butter and a tortilla for breakfast. Good to go. Let's get some miles in. So far I've only done 160 miles of the trail, so I need to get some miles down. So here we go.
Pulled over here just to get some water. As soon as I stopped, a bee came up, stung me right in the neck. That's fun.
It is really beautiful out here. Perfect weather. I couldn't be happier. Look at this. Got a nice little campsite here. A pay for it one, but I got showers and running water, so it's worth it for this time. I washed my clothes in my dry bag over there, just put some laundry detergent in there and washed it around a little bit, rinsed it out, and now I have clean clothes, just a bit damp. So I did about 170 miles today. Pretty good, picking up the pace a little bit, see if I can hit 200 tomorrow. But yeah, working my way down. Finishing up at this campsite, syncing over some more songs. I was running out of songs in my playlist. Still trying to dry my clothes. Probably won't be able to. That's fine, I'll try to strap them onto the top of the bike or something as I ride. Supposedly there's rain up ahead today, so we'll see. And this is pretty much it for Virginia. So yeah, Virginia's been fun, but on to North Carolina.